One man don't jackpot. This one in jackpot after he don't rape in female relative and he rape this girl till this girl enter coma. Hey, family members, see you're not thinking you go feel rape your own sister. This girl where they talk say her name na Awa, and this girl now only 9 years old. See small pikino. Now this man do this kind of thing for. They say he rape this girl till this girl they unconscious, and this thing happen for Kaduna. And all these Kaduna people. In fact, my mindset for Hausa people, it always I they like them because of say wait, they sabi pray. So there is a big people. Let's say now bad things. Now this side they always come from. This kind of rape matter of small picking where you they call your family member. You don't even fear God. Say this person now your blood. You still can't do this kind of thing for this girl. Make now watch the video of how this girl they in pain for hospital.
Private part already sagged. The front and back, you cannot even differentiate between the front and the back.
Hey, I don't see. And this small girl, now she go to call this person uncle or brother. Now this man can't do this kind of thing for. And this man, they talk say this man raped this girl. So in fact, they don't fit differentiate the back side on and the front side on. Say everything done mango. This Oyinbo for now when I not even to hear English like me. This mango means say waiting. The thing don't destroy, it don't damage, it don't spoil, it don't scatter. In fact, it don't me. Everything don't scatter for that place. Say they don't even know the front and the back. Now I got one manager, what do they call him? KBK Foundation. And they manage him. In name now, Mr. Shei or Dewale. In talk say this girl need serious money because they need to do immediate surgery for this small pikino because of say this whole rape don't affect this girl internal organ. This kind of rape, it's too serious. He say this man thing, he long past Ken. He long past him because for this thing to destroy this girl thing, it means say the way this man do him, he overdo this thing. And what thing they overvex me now? This man self will be the real. They don't even conceal him. Now that one they pay me, they boil me for body. They don't even know where this man run go because this man don't run. And the family, they don't even mention this man name. At least making a mention in name, post in picture, make people know who they find. Not saying and they find the person. The face of the person we don't even know. This kind of thing now he pay me because on another sit in the hospital now CB. This they supposed to carry this girl come up from here, carry and fly and go better place. Where we say she go feel receive better medical treatment. Because if this matter be like if they leave this girl, make we no come go to hear story that touches the heart. Say this girl don't die, be something don't do her. And I know all this kind of matter. Sometimes some children I will say they piss for body, they get leakages. Now based on rape, no be say they won't even want to do them just like that because their vagina don't expand to the extent where we say piss no they fit stay inside again. Now everything don't spoil. Waiting, oh police now supposed fine now. What now they do now work well. As this whole thing happen like this, me and this boy, I be this family person, mama, now I go carry. Now I supposed carry. And parents, making a they careful, making a they watch on our children well. Forget say family, now your brother, now your uncle, the kind things what they do for children nowadays. If you hear them say your ear go start to dey pain you. People they do things so. Forget say this one now your family member ain't can't live with you. No, they leave your pikin for house again. No. And some parents, if you go see, you go to bath for pikin, ask them question. When are they educating our pikin about all these things? We don't they shout them, say no to rape, but bless say all these men, their ear, you don't block, you don't put cotton wood, block them. As we they talk and now so they come outside for the next year. So as they don't want green here, make parents they watchful. Making that they looking at children because now children know they safe again. No? The kind things where they happen on top of children now, it don't they overdo. In fact, it don't they over too much. When thing happen, person no go fit keep him picking for house safely. Say okay, I won't go buy market come back before I go here. Now another story. I pray say this girl survive this thing because as this girl did, they say she no fit talk, she no fit walk, she no fit do anything. As she just did there lifeless because she don't dey in coma. And we know say now only God now go fit gain this girl. Now go fit even bring back this girl as she did like this. I pray say everything go work out well for this well. And for people who will even support, making her try support this girl because I know say even if this girl come back, I know say she go dey feel so much pain. And I hope say this whole rape no go even affect this girl. But police, I beg, Kaduna police making her find this man where do this kind of thing because you know if you just they run unpunished, go do one for another person place again because as they no catch him, he go still do one. Making her try do everything possible to find this kind of man. Now waiting her here, I say make her bring her, making herself here waiting they happen. No, making her no come forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. Now, wow, things they really happen. You get one 18-year-old boy. They talk say this boy don't defile one 4-year-old girl. This one will happen for where? For Adamawa, for Nigeria. Every day, bad things they happen for Nigeria. Children of nowadays, 18-year-old boy, we suppose they go school. All your mind now how to rape pikin. Now in the inside your mind. Ha! This boy where they call Ayuba Hamza. Now be this boy name. They talk say this boy take advantage of this small pikin in the sense where be say they say this small girl parents no dey together again. That means the papa and the mama they don't fight. So this small girl now they can't carry this pikin say making con they stay with him grandma as it be say this man and this woman no go fit take care of these children again. Now there this small pikin they stay with this grandma and no know where grandma self go to go every day. Where be say this boy. This Hamza of a boy go dey rape this pikin and they talk say no be even the first time where they catch this boy talk say no be the first time, no be even in second time and no be in third time when don't they follow this girl they sleep. You know even the 4 years old. This girl supposed to be like your younger sister, your small sister. Oh. Now you can't decide say now only her 9 days where you want they follow sleep. Now what for people? All these small children now where they born and don't know the kind soul, the kind devil where they groom them. Because the way where they react, the way where they behave, you go they wonder say if not so they just like maybe another thing. Now they push them to they behave like this. Now this boy they don't catch her and they don't already carry this small pikin self go hospital, go they do test for her. If say no say this grandmama self catch this boy now, nobody go know as this thing they happen. They talk say this grandmama come out. That means this boy even get the vim. He go they sleep with this girl inside in grandmama house. Say grandmama come out before she go come back and see this boy there on top of this 4-year-old girl. Now dear grandmama come start to they shout. Now dear neighbors come run, come outside, come go call police where they come arrest this boy. You know what they oversweet me? Say this boy don't even reach 18 years. Yes, so that they go arrest him. He go know as they be. Hausa people, as you know say this thing on the hungry you do at that age. 18, why you not go find 18-year-old girl thing? Go they follow. Now 4 years, what do you want even enjoy for that place? Because he show me say this small pikin with the cry. Now make it a good parents make na the day together, make na the monitor on a pikin. If say na one pikin where they sharp, I be one pikin where we say in mama they notice and where. If you dey bath this pikin, you go know say something they worry this pikin. But especially if you say where the grandmama self not even to get her time like that. Grandmama go her own place, leave pikin for house. Now make this kind of things they happen. Even some children self, train your children, make your pikin they sharp. Forget say you go to talk say this pikin too bad, it too do this one. Sometimes they good. You go see some pikin, if somebody touch them, all this ajebota pikin, they go don't talk. Mommy, somebody touch my VJJ. But this one now, aboki pikin, he not talk anything. He just leave her. Maybe you don't even know what to be this VJJ say for in language. So you don't even know say want to explain to your mama say, this brother don't they follow and they sleep. I mean this brother don't they touch her. Now wow, but as it be like this, the commissioner of police, what do they call him? Aliyu Adamu, don't tell all the DPOs. Say anybody where they catch, where they commit this kind of crime, may they arrest them. Because this thing they happen well. It just be say people know the fit talk. You go even see adults where be say they don't even follow them sleep from small. But because of say fear, maybe this brother go tell and say, if you talk this, I will kill you. The pikin no go gree talk. But as it be like this, police don't give order, they don't drop order. Say anybody where they catch, Hausa people, not Adamawa people, if they catch on her, na jailo, I don't know how many times. Yeah, I can't even surprise. I'm surprised for this kind of matter. Say this boy na their neighbor. So all these times where this boy they enter these people's house, it means say this boy gets intention. And you know how many children this boy go down to do this kind of thing for, where they never catch him. If not this one now, where come outside, when he can use his mouth, even talk say, he agree, say he do him. All the remaining children where they compound, and I know what thing go don't do for them. As the matter be like this, now here I go end them. Anything where I feel about this Adamu, what be name, what he do, making a write down for the comment section. As they take pen now, making a write. I know say parents, some parents, their children don't go through these kind of things. Some self, they don't even feel use their mouth to talk them out. Even their own husband, now they do this kind of thing for their own pikin. But to voice out, they go they fear, say, how they go disgrace their husband for outside. But as it be like, if something go do your pikin, this kind of small pikin now, you should go get one kind of infection. Later now for the future, you can't talk say, this pikin get HIV, and I don't know as it take carry on. Now from all these kind of things, where we say, children know they fit talk, and this pikin, you know, say a small pikin. 4 years. What does she know? She don't fit talk anything now. So even if she knows say this thing they do her, she don't go fit talk. Now make parents suppose they watch their children wella. Sit down, monitor your pikin, advise your pikin, educate them. Make them know all these kind of things. So that by the time when one brother go they do one for them, they go fit tell you, open their mouth. They no go even they fear say if they tell their mama go beat them. They go boldly face now, tell on them. As it be, now here I go end this matter. Make now no come forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video.